I'm Sanjay Agarwal. We are packing and Jointings Gaskets Pvt. Limited. We started this company in 1999. So our association with ACE started in 2007 when we purchased our first CNC machine, the LP20 Classic. And today we have 5 CNC turning centers and 2 milling centers from ACE Micromatic. I think the hallmark of both ACE designers and MMTB has been its service. I haven't come across any CNC machine manufacturer with an excellent service, and we are happy to say that whatever we are today is due to ACE Micromatic and their service authorization limit. If you are looking for excellent service support, an excellent machine, there's no one better than ACE Micromatic Group in this sector.